doing it. Keep doing it.
Uh-oh. 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 Whoa. Uh-oh.
Keep doing it.
Is it funny?
No.
It's not funny.
Keep.
Oh.
Oh.
Does it tickle?
Tickle me.
Does it tickle you? Okay. Does it tickle?
Not fun.
Not funny. Is Daddy tickling you? Oh. Daddy gonna tickle you?
Yeah.
Okay. No? No, you get your belly button? I get your belly button?
No.
No.
No. What do you mean?
No.
Say stop, Daddy.
Stop, Daddy.
Okay.
The book.
Look, Mommy's got a belly button.
No, don't. Stop it.
The book.
Oh, are you going to read the Bible?
Like the Bible.
Bible stories for girls. Was that funny when Daddy tickled you?
My mother.
Not your Elmo.
Spring loose on my leg.
Elmo's a gibbled. He's a little gibbled. Oh, look at that face. Look at how sad she looks. Like literally she was laughing so hard she was gonna pee, and then now she's like Is that funny?
Yeah.
Are you funny?
Yeah.
Smile.
Cheese.
You're so cute. Say bye-bye.
Bye, everybody.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.
Say until next time. Say I'll miss you.
I miss you.
Say I miss you.
I miss you.
Say I love you.
You.
Say ta-da.
Ta-da.
What else do you want to say before I close it?
I just close it.
Just close it.